it's chocolate, it's peanut butter. You've probably seen it because everybody's making it, but let me show you my measurements and how I'm calculating calories for it. I start with Light and Fit Zero Sugar Vanilla Yogurt, and I always make two of them because, well, my husband. I add 1 tablespoon of PB Fit to each one. Give it a stir. Then I measure 28 grams of Lily's chocolate chips. This is where a lot of people add coconut oil to their chocolate chips. Because my job is to keep calories low, I'm adding a tablespoon of cashew milk. Pop it in the microwave for about 20 seconds. And then I'm gonna top this with some crushed peanuts. And this is just 7 grams of peanuts that's going to be divided, so about 3.5 grams of peanuts each. And then I pop these in the freezer for 10 minutes. And my version is 150 calories, 16 grams of protein.